Cześć and dzień dobry from a beautiful morning here, Warsaw, Poland. I'm super happy to be here. Actually decided not to go out or do anything kind of crazy last night. Feeling really great this morning. Kind of got caught up on sleep. Been a long couple days, especially in Ukraine, but I'm super happy to be here. I'm on Riverfront. You guys don't know the street where if you guys don't know what to do, especially on a Sunday, Saturday, Friday, this place is full. They usually close down the street as well. Today, I don't know, they look like they're doing something special down there. I'm gonna get some water, hydrate for the day because the sun here is super hot. And then check out to see, because by the way, there's no plan for today. So hydrate to make sure that I'm ready for whatever plan happens, even though there is no plan. And all the people were like kind of waving, so okay. And finally down by the river, where, as I tell you, whoa. Warsaw, there's always something going on here. There is always something going on. People always ask me when I meet people how. It's like I just am in different places at different times, and I just happen to be lucky that there's always something going on in one of these places. But yeah, definitely one of those. If you guys don't know what to do in Warsaw, take a walk down Nowy Świat, head to Old Town, and then come down here to the river. Everything you need, everything you want. Perfect place to come to. But now time to find a place, get some work done. Okay, very productive full 3 hours of work. Now I don't know what to do. I feel like this is kind of the perfect day. This is the day that you hope for. Beautiful day, beautiful clouds, beautiful sun in the sky, but the clouds kind of block the actual burning rays of the sun. So it gives me a little bit of time. Today might be it's from like Sri Lanka. It's like not sure if it's a festival, but it's nice. What's up, Rasha? You speak English? What is this?
Sri Lankan Days.
Sri Lanka Days. Ah, really?
Yeah.
And then in February, the weather's like what?
So that's the thing. So throughout the year, generally it's like 32 degrees throughout the year, everywhere in the country.
So never snow, no snow.
No snow. But then in the middle of the country, where the hills are, it's always 15, 16 degrees throughout the year. So that's why you can experience both weathers throughout the year. There's no seasonal variations in the country. This is a sweet based one. It's called pancakes. It's a Sri Lankan pancake.
Okay, so pancake, it's rolled up.
Yes, rolled up.
Okay,
it's
this?
called rolls.
With what's inside?
So it's like fish. This is more like, you know, like a crisp kind of thing. It's very crispy.
Yeah.
Rice based one as well.
I see what it's like. So we got me some of this. There's like fish inside. No idea. I think it's, yeah. And now they got music playing. Yeah, it's okay. I try it. Really good. I'm going for seconds, but also gonna try this one as well. Yeah, and I tried one of this. Lanka is definitely on the list now, places. See you, man. Bye-bye. Definitely on the list of places to go. Wow. Wow, what an awesome experience. It feels like I was actually in Sri Lanka. It's funny, I never even knew anything about it or anything like that. Yes, I know you guys watching this, I'm in the bike lane, I know, but the sun is in the walking lane. No, just a great time, you know. I love seeing other cultures, and you know, it's really, it makes me understand the importance of just this right here, like what we have, like with me and you, and being here and learning about new cultures, then you going to visit, and then you going there, and then you telling other people about it, and it's like, that's how we learn about other things, you know. Everyone's not, if they didn't have this meeting here, I might not have ever thought to go to Sri Lanka or anything like that. So I think it's so cool to share, to put things out there. I'm just a big believer in that kind of stuff, and meeting people here who I've met here, a lot of, well, everyone's important, but meeting some pretty interesting people here just totally changed the way I looked at everything. But kind of on that note, I'm actually leaving there now, making my way over this way along the river area. Old Town is over here. Thinking about crossing, going over there. Okay, other side of the highway. There's all this stuff. Man, like I tell people, in Warsaw. You know, and they say it's for the kids. They say it's for the kids, but I mean, I've never seen inside of like a fire truck or like a Polish, at least not the Polish ones, Polish police car, everything. And I guess it's better to see inside of a police car voluntarily than to see inside of one because I didn't have a choice. Can I sit inside too? Can I sit? Inside a police car, dang. But inside the police car by choice, Thank you. Dziękuję. Man, kid or not, that's pretty cool. Whew. So like I told you guys, there's always something going on here in Warsaw. It feels like every time, I don't know if it's always, it just happens to be on the days when I'm kind of just walking around, they always have something going on. But as I say, everyone's kind of making their way down here. Definitely they're coming to here, then definitely people are going to the river. So I feel like it's time to go maybe opposite of the way of the crowd, but no idea where yet. We'll Zenya. I have to make a stop for ice cream. Always do that. You'll see 80% of the people in Old Town walking around with ice cream normally, or they've had ice cream in the day. And it's needed, it is hot. You gotta be. Think about all the people coming like to Old Town to get ice cream. This line right here, all those people are waiting for ice cream. This line right here, all the people are waiting for ice cream. That line right there, everybody's waiting for it. Exactly. Especially on Sundays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, actually, after around 6, after around 5, this place is full. You will not be able to run through here, nothing. But it's good to be here early. Like I say, I'm kind of making my way away opposite direction of the people today. Just in one of those kind of moods, I think. Okay, so right now taking the scooter, not sure where. I think I'm gonna drop all this stuff off and then make my way, okay, so this is probably like 3 hours later. Came back to take a quick power nap, and as you guys can see, what I was telling you guys before about when you come to the hostel, like the second kind of paradise is when nobody's in the room. I was like, I gotta capitalize on that time to try to get some sleep. Feeling great, and apparently it was raining, but the sun is out now. Going to get some. Just finished eating, and I just got. Well, I didn't have a plan. I think I have one now. I have someone who wrote me, friend. They're in Old Town. If I can be there in 15 minutes, they're there waiting. I'm gonna try to make it. 15 minutes, Old Town. We don't have a meetup point. My phone battery's dead. Okay, so I found my friend. Do you want to be in it or no? Okay, all right. Found my friend. They're actually from Ukraine, from Kyiv. You can say hi.
Yes, I'm from Kyiv, from Ukraine, but now I'm living in Warsaw from October 2018.
Oh wow, yeah. So they're living here for a long time. So maybe you're gonna show me some places around here in Old Town.
Yes.
We're just So I had to meet them. I was a little bit late, but met them walking around Old Town. Beautiful day.
Yes.
Okay.
Nowy Miast.
Okay, so now walking through Newtown. We've just been kind of walking and talking and kind of exploring. I know you guys saw this earlier today. I was walking the same route. I told you I walked the same way this morning.
Oh, you
Yeah. But I did it the old way. I did it the opposite way.
maybe?
No, not this way. In the beginning, when we walked by the police, because I walked through there by Sri Lanka. Yeah. Okay, so this is like maybe 2 hours later. I had a great time walking around, exploring, talking about, like, my friend is from Ukraine, and we were talking about like how much they're a foreign person just like me, and we just talked about how much we love in Warsaw, about how there's so much to do in Warsaw. And it was great just talking to someone who understands like how I feel. You know, so many people in the comments, you guys are like, yeah, I went to Warsaw and I love it. And for me, it's just like makes me feel great, because it makes me feel like I'm not alone. Like I'm the only person who loves this place who's not from here. And so it was just great catching up with them. I had a great plan, rented one of these scooters. My phone died, can't cut it off. So now finding a quick place to charge everything up. It might be too late, but we'll spin to whatever's next. Yeah, technical difficulties right now. We'll spin. And actually, since my friend left, I'm kind of just walking down here along the beach. I totally forgot how peaceful, and different sections. You have a nice quiet side over there, even more quiet if you go further down. And as you make your way this way towards the stadium over there, it gets louder and louder, and more things going on and more things going on. Makes me just, yeah, Warsaw's the place. here in Warsaw they even have the moon and the sunset at the same time. Okay, so it is probably, I don't know, it is probably 6 or 5, 3, 2, 3 hours later. Hope the light is not too bright here. I can't see myself. Hope the light isn't too bright here. But kind of feel like today's been kind of one of those days when I've been really chilled. Met up with a lot of people. And sometimes I meet people and I can't put them in the vlog because the vibe is so great. I don't want to pop up my camera or push record or, you know, anything like that. But, you know, today was a very interesting day. It's just, I guess I just really enjoy being here, and it's just something different. Someone wrote me and they said, hey Luke, you seem different, you feel different when you're in Poland, and it's so true. I just feel this vibe, especially here in Warsaw. I always just feel like, I know I'm not from here, and I don't look like I'm from here, I don't sound like I'm from here, but I feel like I'm from here when I'm here walking around. And I just want to say thank you guys to all you guys who's come up and say hello and everything. It's really just it's such an honor, and I'm just thankful that you guys do that. And right now it is pretty late. Gonna probably get some rest, maybe just walk around. Just been kind of chilling. There's been no story, just been kind of just enjoying my time here. But thank you guys for coming along with me, all you guys who are new around here. Pleasure to meet you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in every day. Notification squad, I see some of you guys in the comment section. I see you in the comment section. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll talk to everybody later. And thank you guys so much again, and I'll speak to you guys soon. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.